Welcome back to Pfister Farms, everybody. This looks like a common sight, just a skid steer sitting here in the shop. Well, today's gonna be not that great of a day because only you can tell by the bolts are out of the cab, so you can tip that up. It's pretty simple. I tip the cab up. I'm doing this video in 4K because I just wanted to try it out, see how the screen does better. It is weirdly on the screen though, so I might change it in the next clip. I don't know, it got really dark in here. Well, you won't be able to shoot that once you get outside. Oh, by the way, the weather has been this. That's so great the weather's been the last couple days. Here's my hands after being in there, working on that skid steer, getting it all ready to be washed. I took that off, don't need that on there. That's 6 months worth of junk. And what's this? That's where that 9/16 wrench went. Just amazing. That's where that 9/16 wrench went. Never knew that you could. They must be making wrenches in there or something. I'm just gonna set this down. Yeah, that's just amazing. That's where your feet go. It's a lot of stuff that gets dropped in there. I can see a bolt down in there. I don't know if the camera can see it at all. Yeah, it's a bolt. Yep, right there. I'll stick my hand in there. Yep, that's a bolt. Must have fallen in there. What other cool things can we get out of here? Just digging the junk out. It's mostly just bedding. Yeah, it's bedding and gravel. Basically all it is. Oh, it'll be empty by the time I'm done. Well, I'm gonna empty it like this, then I'm gonna power wash it. Just to make sure it's good and clean. I'm gonna clean the shop too once I'm done. There is a lot of junk in here. It's kind of soothing. I'm gonna take a picture of this thing. It's a stick. I think most of this is like, hay that just got thrown in here. Like when you're moving bales. When you're moving bales, sometimes the hay falls back. Like, that's a rag. So, I guess we'll get out of there for a second. And in order to get the cab to tip up, you take the nuts off these two. If you can see that, that's fine. See you guys in the next clip. And I will say welcome back in the next clip. Well, I have the skid steer down here right now. I gotta tell you guys a couple things. So, it's sprinkling a little. So these are your holes. Put bolt through here. Which is up there and up there on that side. It's a little bit closer. I think it's like an inch away. Camera makes it seem so far away, but it goes there and there. It's holding the cab up right now. That's safety right there, and then this is safety lock too. This isn't going anywhere. Get the safety conscious people, okay, so you ain't rocking like this. And I'm just gonna power wash it. This engine bay nice and clean. I cleaned it once. I pressure washed it a couple times this summer, but it didn't turn out as well as I thought. And I'm just gonna pressure wash. See the light down there, daylight. Gotta get you guys a little bit closer down there. Yep, see that? I took a plate off the bottom, so hopefully I have all the water and stuff washes out that bottom. I got that plate off on the front, so I can escape there. Yeah, I don't know if you can flip up the back with the cab up. That would be a negative, but I am gonna open up that back right here. Better than nothing. Oh, always run your machines with this because that makes the dirt come out. Just a suggestion. It works really well. So there's a bunch of stuff like that in there, and that'll go through that daylight hole. That hole that I have open. I actually think it's for the oil pan. I might be wrong, but yeah, that's what I think it's for. So I'm gonna get the pressure washer out here and start washing this thing up. This is a 3-cylinder motor. If anyone asks, 3-cylinder Deutz, oil cooled. I believe it's to shut the oil off to that fan over there. So that's off, that's on. We never touch that, but it lets your oil come to here and then turn on your fan. One side of the Rams ain't very clean because I ain't cleaned that side yet. So I'm gonna get the pressure washer out here, and I'll probably, I don't know, I'll see you guys. Hopefully I'll be about 3/4 of the way done or done. So see you guys in a few. Well, I've decided to keep 4K on. It's a little off subject, but I was just trying it out. So we gotta tighten up these bolts right here. I just dropped the wrench. Right now it's kind of hard to do this all one-handed. Tightening his bolt here. I'll explain to you guys in a moment once I get this tight. So what does this plate right here do? That's where your footholes are, or your feet go. And well, like, it's full of junk and stuff. When it falls out, or whenever whenever it comes off, your feet falls down in there, and it's not too fun to clean out, but it's gotta be done, and that's tight. This is hillbilly locked up. This piece of wood is holding everything up. It's under a lot of, it's under a lot of pressure. And I gotta shoot out either. It's pretty good in that spot. So I didn't take very many things off. 4K mode ain't really working that well right there, but it's still full of water. And it's dripping from there to there. That's just annoying. I'm gonna get rid of that. On the front, here's a wrench that I found right there. Set that right there. That's good. So now we get to, now this is where I wish GoPro had a light. And we'll get the junk off the creeper. Flip it around. I'll grab my phone. But down here, I think I have the tripod on this thing, otherwise I wouldn't be able to do anything. Nope, almost fell over backwards. Yeah, you guys have been all day through there, so I'm gonna open my phone. Go up. There you go, it's light, yay. I wonder if they even make a light for a GoPro, so I'm just gonna slide under here. You guys wanna come on an adventure? You gotta take all that stuff hanging up down there, that's the hole. Yeah, we'll check. That's the hole. You guys can see a nice oil pan. I'm holding you guys in sideways because I don't get the tripod all dirty. And then there's 2 bolts that go with that. So these 2 hold this plate on. And we do have US Cellular, by the way. If someone's gonna ask me that. Yep. Oh! Almost fell over again. So I'm gonna take these two, and all this stuff here, and this wrench, and this wrench. Walk to the front of the machine. Next minute, where all this goes, so all that washers and bolts and stuff. And I take this, put it down, and they go under here. You guys can't see, but that's the cab. That's how I bolt on the cab, so I think I'm just gonna do this without the camera on, and yeah, so see you guys when I'm finished. Yay, we are finished. Oh, now we get to put everything back away like it was before. And that was supposed to go with the corn planter. I think these are the corn wheels anyway. So, fixed, clean, and nice, and it's good now. Throw a couple of these. Actually, this one goes here. Stick this one. Right. Oh boy, it's not even. Sorry, and point, you guys. There we go. I got it on. So, yeah, it's done. It's nice, and now I get to go use it. Yeah, that came out of the front foot thing. That's the broom, size comparison. Yeah. So, I gotta go bed the calf barn. It's like 6 at night, but the sky's getting better. Yeah. So that's gonna probably end this, but if anybody knows, well, I want to ask people this question, because what do you guys think the best skid steer tires are? Because this, a couple tires on this are just shot like this. They're not even good. Like, they might last a couple more months, but we're gonna be looking for new tires. So if anyone has any suggestions on what they use and how good they are and how long they will last, we want a nice long-lasting tire. Air-filled, these are not solid tires. They still have air in them, but I think tires with air in them ride better, my opinion. But we're just looking for a couple more skid steer tires. And, well, we haven't put new ones on this, I think, ever. But, yeah, the cab in there is still dirty. I never got clean. But right here, this is your heater spot right here. The house all full of oil and stuff. Now it's clean. Being under this machine really isn't that fun. I'll show you guys what I was doing. Yeah, that plate under there, put it back on. Does this look any better? GoPro don't have a light, too bad. You guys can't see that. Yeah, that's your fuel filler. The hydraulic oil on this one is, I think it's inside here. Let me check. Yep, right there. Yeah, that little thing right there is your oil thing. You add more, and well, look at this. It's a more organized shop, kinda. Now turn off the phone light. Do that real quick. There we go. Yeah, that's gonna wrap this up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.